everyone, I am Hanawali at I'm Laila. Today, I want to talk about something that's close to my heart. The importance of kindness and integrity even in the face of adversity. It's easy to be kind when the world is kind to us. It's easy to be good when everyone around us is good too. But what happens when we encounter someone who treats us poorly? Do we lower ourselves to their level or do we rise to what we? I firmly believe that no matter how badly someone treats us, we should never stop being a good person. Why? Because our character is not defined by how others treat us, but by how we choose to respond. When someone is unkind to us, it's natural to feel hurt, angry, or even vengeful. But reacting with negativity only perpetuates the cycle of harm. Instead, we can choose to respond with kindness and compassion, not because the other person deserves it, but we mostly do. Being a good person is not about being a good or allowing others to mistreat us. It's about setting boundaries, standing up for ourselves, and refusing to let someone else negativity change who we are. Think about it. When we respond to it with love, to purity, with kindness, we not only elevate ourselves, but we also have the power to inspire change in others. Our action can have a ripple effect, spreading positivity and compassion in a world that really needs it. Let us remember that our worth is not determined by how others treat us, but by the content of our character. So let's strive to be the best version of ourselves. Even in the face of adversity, let's never stop being a good person. So let's strive to be the best version of ourselves, even in the face of adversity. Let's never stop being a good people, no matter how bad someone treats us. Once again, I am Dr. Ali at Mantayang Laila from Visa One Week. Thank you.